uh, Go to Google Chrome and type Facebook. Oh fuck. Go to request desktop site. Now type Facebook. Yeah, should be only Facebook, not m.facebook.com like this one. No, fuck. This is Facebook. Yeah, go now. See the desktop version. From there, click here and go to setting. You can just do like this also and click like this. That Chrome is very good for this kind of shit. And from there, go to where this public post. Yeah, and here is it. And from there, Twitter is here, and it is already linked. You can unlink, but why should you unlink? Go to setting. See, everything is there. These are my passwords. So, but first you need to have a Twitter account like this. This is my Twitter. You can follow me. Click here. So you need to sign off. Yeah, it's okay. You need to have your full name and phone number. You can use your email instead. And what is this advanced option? The fuck? It's over. Bye.